Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be discussing about shape detection using OpenCV and Python. As you know, whenever we use OpenCV, we need to import basic two libraries. That is import CV2, that is CV2 library, and the NumPy library as NP. Then what we'll do, we'll be reading the input image. For that, cv2.imread is the function. Then you can write the name of your image and make sure your image is in the same folder where you are keeping your code. I have imported the image in the grayscale, as you can see here. Then we'll calculate the threshold. For doing that threshold, as you can see, underscore comma threshold equals to cv2 dot threshold. Then of what you are taking, it's image comma give the threshold value, that is threshold range, upper range, lower range, and in which format. It is thresh binary. Okay, I have done a mistake out here. No, one sec. It's okay. Applying the threshold. See, I have written the comment also for you so that it is easy for you to understand. Okay. I have written one thing, a mistake out here. The cv2.imread function will be in the img variable. Okay. Then we'll find the contours underscore contours equals to cv2.find contours. So I need to explain you what is contour. Contours are the outside lines of any object. Okay, you'll be seeing that in the output. Don't worry about it. So in the contour function, what we have given is threshold, then comma cv2 dot rtr underscore tree, comma cv2 dot chain underscore approx underscore simple. These are the characteristics you need to put to find the contour. So now we'll use a font which will be displayed in the output. See, whenever you write any text as an output in the image, you need to give a font. So here I'll be giving the font as Hershey complex. So font equals to cv2.font underscore Hershey complex. Remember it, it is a very good font and I use it everywhere. Applying for a loop in the contour, I've used a for loop here for cnt in contours. Then indentation approx equals to cv2 dot approx polydp cnt comma 0.01 into cv2 dot arc length. The trick lies here. With this thing only we'll be able to find the values. Okay, remember this. Then cv2 dot draw contours img approx. Okay, see, with this cv2 dot draw contour we are allowing our system to draw the contour lines in our image. Okay, now x equals to approx dot revel 0, y equals to approx dot revel 1. So now what we'll do, now we'll apply if statement for all the conditions we have. So in the image we have many shapes. So now we'll be applying the conditions to find the shapes. See, if length in bracket approx equals to 3, then cv2 dot put text img comma in the text triangle. This basically means that if there are 3 sides in the image, then it will be it is a triangle, and with that you write the you have to give the font also. Elif, what does elif mean? Elif means if within a if. Okay, that is a nested if. So sorry, else if. It is a else if. Let's take for the 4 sides. len approx equal to for cv2 dot put text and img. Okay, I have done a mistake out here. Now img, it is img comma, in inverted comma it will be a rectangle, comma the xy coordinate, comma font in which it will be written as, comma 1, comma 0. Okay, now we have satisfied two conditions. We'll continue for the rest of the conditions also. Now we'll do for elif len approx equals to 5, then cv2 dot put text I am just copy pasting it out, then I'll remove from rectangle, it will be a pentagon. Okay, the other things remains the same. Now we'll check. See, we have done for 3 side, 4 side, 5th side. Okay, and in image we have a circle also, we have an ellipse also. Okay, see, remember thing, circle and ellipse are almost similar for a computer. Okay, so how will we distinguish them? Keep a note of this statement that I am writing out here, it will help you a lot. If elif 6 less than len in bracket approx less than 15, and then cv2 dot put text it will be a ellipse. Okay, what do I mean out here? If there are more than 6 sides and less than 15 sides in the shape, then it is an ellipse. Okay, else it will be a circle, because in circle there are infinite number of sides. So these are the main conditions that is needed to find the shapes. Okay, we have almost completed our code. Then now we come out of the for loop, then we write the cv2.imshow function. With this imshow function will display the output of the whole program that we have written. Okay, so let us write it fast and fast. Shapes comma img cv2.imshow function now will display the our detected shape, the threshold then cv2 dot wet key 0, then cv2 dot destroy all windows. Okay, so this is basically the code. I'll give the link in the description below, you can download the code, improvise it according to yourself. Let me write the comments also so that it will be clear for you. You can see the comments. Remember one thing, I'll leave a link in the description which will contain the code. It will be very helpful for you. Improvise the code and mail your outputs in the mail ID given in the description box, and also the mail ID will be coming in the screen. Do leave your feedbacks. Okay, now let's run the code. See, the first image that comes here is the basic image that we have taken as an input, and the second image, this is the outputs. The black lines you see here are the contours. Okay, and there are names coming beside the contours. So that's all for today's video. If you think the video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and till then, keep innovating and stay tuned.